When it comes to retinitis pigmentosa, RP, the future of research has never looked brighter. For decades, RP was seen as a condition with very few answers. But today, scientists, doctors, and innovators around the world are exploring multiple promising approaches to fight it, and progress is moving faster than ever. One major area of hope is gene therapy, which focuses on correcting or replacing the faulty genes responsible for vision loss. By addressing the root cause, these treatments could slow or even halt degeneration in certain patients. Alongside this, stem cell research is investigating whether new, healthy cells can be transplanted into damaged retinas to restore lost function, essentially giving the eye a fresh start. But the story doesn't stop with biology. Technology and AI are transforming daily life for people living with RP right now. From smart glasses that describe surroundings in real time to AI-powered apps that read text, recognize objects, or identify faces, these innovations are helping patients navigate the world with greater independence. What makes this moment so exciting is how quickly ideas are turning into reality. Just 10 years ago, many of these breakthroughs sounded like science fiction. Today, some are already available as assistive tools, while others are being tested in clinical trials with real patients. Each step forward adds to a growing sense of momentum and hope. Of course, challenges remain. Research takes time, and not every solution will work for every patient. But the big picture is clear. We are closer to real solutions than ever before. This channel will continue sharing updates on the future of RP research, so you can stay informed, connected, and inspired by what's coming next.